The other way.
Hi guys, I'm Reginald Samuel, algebra teacher at Carter High School, and this is Nadia Ayala, algebra teacher at W.T. White School, a high school. We would love to hear from you, all Algebra 1 students as we solve tax type questions. Remember that algebra is 50% of the 9th and 10th grade tax exam. It's even 40% of the exit level exam, all right? So you remember that you may want to hang on to your problems because the test is coming up in April.
Okay. Before we get started, let's go over a few rules. Please, when you use your telephone to give us a call, turn the TV volume down to avoid the noise. It really hurts our ears.
Okay, remember also that cell phones do not work well with our audio system, so be sure to use regular phones. I thank you, Nadia thanks you, and our ears definitely thank you guys.
Also, a lucky caller will receive a special Valentine's Day gift, a box of chocolates.
Woo!
Yay! Okay, and we haven't forgotten you teachers. At the end of each month, we will have our monthly drawing for a lucky teacher. Okay?
Okay.
Then, at the end of the school year, we will have a super prize for the entire super class and teacher that has the most calls. So make sure you're calling in.
Okay, all right. Before we get started, I have to show you all what Nadia got for Valentine's Day. Look, oh my God, isn't her husband just wonderful?
Yes.
Oh,
Okay.
That is just wonderful. I had to do that. I had to do that.
Okay.
Okay, we have a caller out there. Jasmine, are you there? Or is this Jasmine? Hello.
Hi.
How's it going? All is
Hello.
well? Okay,
Just
we're
one
gonna
second.
wait just 1 second. While we're waiting, we're gonna go ahead and get some problems. Oh, actually, I needed to tell you all this. This is the last week of the 4th 6 weeks, and so what we decided to do, we're going to do a nice review of this 6 weeks. Hopefully, you all will benefit from this because I know that 6 weeks exams are coming soon. Jasmine, are you there?
Yes.
How are you?
Fine.
You know, they tried to get me to say your name wrong. They said you were Jasmine. Trying to get me to mess up. See, but this week, I'm on it. How are you? Is your voice okay? You know, she sang a couple of times today.
Oh, did she?
Yeah, she actually sang.
She doesn't want to sing for us right now?
Jasmine, you want to give us a quick verse of Killing Me Softly?
I want to do this problem.
You're gonna work the problem. You would rather work the problem.
Trying to embarrass me.
Okay, here we go. This is an easy problem. You want another one?
No, I want this one.
Okay, you want this one?
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, now remember, today we are reviewing. Okay, we're reviewing. The problem reads, in the graph of the function y equals x squared minus 5, the problem says, which describes the shift in the vertex of the parabola if in the function -5 is changed to -10. So what happens, or tell me what my new function would be if -5 is changed to -10. Or -5 is changed to -10. What would my new function be, first of all?
Y equals x squared.
Y equals x squared
Minus 10.
minus 10. Okay, are you asking me or are you telling me?
I'm telling you.
That's what I want to hear. You're telling me that. Okay, so let's go from there. Now, we're going from this equation right here to this equation right here. So if we're going from this equation to this equation, tell me exactly what would happen to the graph, the vertex of the graph.
You go down -5.
You will go down -5. Okay, so I will go down a -5. What does that mean? Go down a -5?
Go down 5.
Oh, okay, I would go down 5. Okay, so which one of these are my answer?
A.
5 units down, right?
Yes.
Excellent job, ma'am. Hold on, here we go. I'm going to start with my nice. How about that? Now that is much.
Getting better.
That's getting much better. Now hold on. Now I'm not gonna put any Happy Valentine's Day. I might get in trouble. They might say I'm trying to mess with the kids or something. I'm gonna leave that alone. No, Jasmine, excellent job.
Bro.
Hey, you just never know. You have to watch yourself.
You gotta watch.
You better watch. Have a good one, baby. We look forward to hearing from Carter real soon. All right, keep calling. All right.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, who's our next caller?
We have Omar from Skyline. Hi, Omar.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
Great.
Sounds good. Do you remember inequalities, Omar?
What?
You remember inequalities?
Yes.
Okay, I'll wait a second because I hear the phone ringing. Okay, or the bell ringing. Something's ringing. Okay, that was the bell?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me, can you read this problem? Is it very legible?
Yeah.
Okay, very good. Okay, we're going to have Miss Ayala to read the problem.
Okay, it says graph the boundary line using the slope and the y-intercept, then shade the proper region. Okay, before you can graph, Omar, what do you think you need to do first?
Put it in slope and form.
Yay.
Put it in slope intercept form. Cool. So come on, how do I put this in slope intercept form?
Move the x, the 2x.
Okay.
To the right.
Okay, and when I do that, what do I do to the 2x?
Negative.
Make it negative. Okay, so tell me what I write from there.
3y
3y
equals
is
the greater than the thing.
okay, greater than
Negative 2x
negative 2x
plus 45.
Good.
plus 45. Good job. Okay, where do I go from there?
Divided by 3.
Okay, divide by 3. Divide by 3 and divide by 3. Okay, good job. Now from there, I get y what?
Greater than negative 2/3
Negative 2/3 x
plus 7.
plus 15?
Yeah, 15. Yeah.
Plus 15. Good job, man. Okay, good job. All right, now from there, what am I going to do with this graph?
You grab the y-intercept first.
Okay, I graph the y-intercept first. What do you want to count by on these?
1.
You want to count by ones?
Yeah.
Will I make it to 15 if I count by ones?
Nah, by 3s.
By threes? Okay. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Okay, and 18. Okay, now I go where?
Oh,
Up to
15.
15. Plot a what?
Yeah.
Plot a dot. Okay, now what else do I do?
Down 2, 3 to the right.
Okay, down 2 and 3 to the right. Now, do I want to go all the way back to this line?
No,
No, because that would be how many down?
3.
3. Okay, I only want to go 2, so I'm going to go a little bit further than midway down, and then what?
3 to the right.
1, 2, 3. We're going to count by threes over here. Okay, now, what kind of line am I going to draw?
Dotted.
It's going to be a dotted or dashed line. Okay, cool. And then, what am I doing from there? Shading where?
Up.
Shading above because it's greater
Good,
than.
Mark.
Good job, man. Good job. Hold on. Let me see if I can get you a better.
Yay.
And a little tooth, he's kind of buck tooth. Okay. Hey. Good job. Good job, Omar.
Colin.
Okay.
Yep.
That was good.
That was very good. That was very good. They're remembering these problems. Good afternoon. Who are we speaking with?
Christian.
Christian. How you doing?
Good.
Okie dokie. Are you ready for a problem?
Yeah.
Sounds like a winner. Sounds like a winner. Let's
What problem are you going to pick?
let's do, how about this one right here? Oh, no, not those yet. I'm going to do this one. Let's try this one. And I am really mad about the fact that my printouts came out kind of funky looking. But that's okay. Let's try this one.
Okay, Christian, it says, in the graph of the function y equals x squared plus 15, which describes the shift in the vertex of the parabola, if in the function plus 15 is changed to, or positive 15 is changed to negative 3, is it going to be, there we go, A, 18 units down, 8 units down, 12 units up, or 12 units down?
And know that this is A, B, C, and D. It's going to be what?
A.
18 units down. Good job. Good job. It didn't take you but a second. I didn't even have to do the y equals x squared minus 3 thing with you and tell me that it goes down 18 units. But good job, man. Excellent job. It took you every bit of.
Too easy for him.
Yeah. You want another one?
You want another one, Christian?
I want another one. Yeah.
Okay. Let's give him
so
another.
he's gonna have 2 smiley faces today.
Okay, 2 smiley faces. Here we go.
Okay, here we
Second
go.
problem. Second problem. Now this one may be a little bit tougher than the first one.
Okay. This one reads, in the graph of the function y equals x squared plus 1, which describes the changes of the parabola if the function is y equals negative 5x squared minus 7. So there are 2 things changing this time. Is it A, the vertical translation down negative 12 units, negative 12 times as steep and flipped? B, vertical translation down 7 units, 5 times as steep and flipped. Or C, vertical translation down 8 units and 5 times as steep, flipped. Or the last one, D, vertical translation down 6 units, half times as steep and flipped. Okay, some problems. Mr. Samuel.
Okay, here we go. Let's deal with them one at a time. And we should be able to figure out the answer to the problem. All right.
All right.
Okay. So first of all, what deals with the vertical translation? What deals with the parabola going up or down? It's 2 things. As far as it shifted. Okay, the y-intercept. Okay, deals with it going up and down the y-axis, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I know that it's going to go from a +1 to what?
Negative 7.
To a -7, right? Okay. Now another thing is, what if this a right now is what? Is it positive or negative?
Positive.
But it's positive. Okay. Now on this one, it's what?
Negative.
Negative. What does that mean? What's going to happen to the parabola with that?
It's gonna flip.
It's going to flip it, and it's going to be going downward, right? Good deal. Good deal. Okay. And then here's something a little new, and it may not be new to you all, but when you're multiplying this coefficient times the x squared term, then what that means is that it's going to deal with its steepness, okay? Either it's going to be steeper or it's going to become more narrow. And because in this problem, A is 1, right? Mm-hmm. And now A is -5, because it multiplies by 5, that means it's going to become more narrow, right? Sure. Okay, sounds good. So now from there, let's deal with the y-intercept first. It's at +1 and then it goes to -7. So what's the vertical translation?
It's no, hold on. 8 units down.
It goes
Good.
8 units down.
Okay,
So
good.
automatically from there, which one of these are my answer?
It's C.
C. Automatically, I can see that C is my answer. Now, as far as the 5 times as steep, yes, it's going to be 5 times as steep. And then it's also going to be flipped because it was positive and now it's what?
Negative.
Negative. Excellent job, man. Excellent job. See that? Now that was very easy. See? We need to give you about 5 more problems because you work them so fast.
All right.
Okay, good, Omar.
Good job,
I mean,
Omar.
Christian, I'm
All right.
sorry. Okay, bye,
right.
Christian.
All right.
Who was
You called him
Christian?
Christian? You called him Omar.
I know, but I said sorry. Don't you listen?
Oh, no, I wasn't. That's why I was about to say, hey, Omar. Okay, just drop the call right in. Okay. This
We've
is...
got Portia.
Hi, Miss Ayala.
Hi, Portia.
Hello, Portia.
Hi.
How are you?
Fine.
Sounds good. Are you
Fun of her
ready?
last time.
Yes.
I did make fun of
Yes,
you
you
last
need to be nice to her today.
Yeah, I was the sick one that you made fun of last week.
I was the second. You were the second
She was
one?
a sick
The
one.
sick
you
one
made
that
fun
you
of.
made fun of last week.
Aww. Portia, I apologize. Are you still hurt by that? I'm going to have to come up there and pat you on your back and tell you I apologize.
Yep.
Okay.
I will have to do that before this year is out. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay, here we go, Portia. I'm going to test something out on you because I want to see if you all can see these problems.
Oh my
and
gosh.
they look really
Bad.
funky, but I want to see if you can see it. Can you see that problem?
No.
No.
You can't see that problem? Oh my God. If you all can't see these problems, we can't do any, we can't do.
Pink. You've got them in pink.
Okay, let's see if you can see them in pink. Hold on, because I definitely...
And today's Valentine's, so that's nice that they're pink.
Jamal, be quiet. Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Can you see that one?
No.
Hold on, let me...
Better, but I.
Zoom in.
Hold on, let me change the focus.
Okay.
What about that?
Okay, that's better.
That's better? Okay. Okay, cool.
Mr. Samuel. Okay, it reads, Portia. It says potato chips contain 240 milligrams of sodium per ounce. Pretzels contain 180 milligrams of sodium per ounce. Joy is allowed a maximum of 900 milligrams of sodium. Graph the inequality using the graphing calculator. Okay, let's go on, Mr. Samuel.
Okay.
Explain the problem.
Okay, Portia, here we go. We're going to do an inequality problem, right? Here we go. We have 240 milligrams of sodium, right, from the potato chips, and then we have
I didn't get that.
pretzels is 180 sodium milligrams of sodium, right?
Right.
Okay, so how would I write that as, let's define the variables, okay? What two variables do we have?
You have 240 and 180.
Okay, I have 240 and 180, but what does the 240 milligrams of sodium represent? The what?
Potato chip.
Okay, can we say that this is our what? What variable do you want to use for this?
P.
You want to use P? Ouch, we have pretzels P too, so let's
Oh, okay. C.
Is that 6?
you want to use chips?
Chips.
Okay. Okay, and then what about this one?
P, I guess.
Okay, P. Now you know that we're going to be dealing with this in a graphing calculator. So what are the only variables? What are the only variables that the calculator allows us to use as far as graphing is concerned?
X and Y.
Okay, so can we do that?
Sure.
Can we use this as
X,
and put this one as
Y.
Y? Okay. In which, guys, there was nothing wrong with what she had already said. I just wanted to go ahead and put it in terms of X and Y. Okay, so now we know that 240 milligrams of sodium per ounce are in the potato chips, and potato chips are our X. So how can I write that?
240 X.
240X, okay. And then also she wants pretzels, so what does also she wants pretzels mean? I have to do what here? Add, okay, now
180Y.
180Y, and then it says Joy is allowed a maximum of 900 milligrams of sodium. So she can only have 900 or what?
So like less than or equal
Okay,
to?
exactly. Good job. Okay,
Good, Portia. Awesome. She remembered.
less than or equal to. Okay, so less than or equal to 900. Okay, now we want to put this in the graphing calculator. So what do we have to do first to put it in the graphing calculator?
Solve for Y.
Let's solve for Y. Good job. What's the first step for solving for Y?
So move the X
To the
to the other side.
good job. Okay, so I'm gonna take the X over there, and so what am I left with?
180
Mm-hmm.
Y
Y. Okay.
is less than or equal to
Okay.
negative 240X
Okay.
plus 900.
Plus 900. Good job. Okay. And then what's my next step?
Then we're going to divide by the number in front of Y.
Okay. So what are we dividing by?
180.
Okay. So let's divide 180, 180, and 180 right there. Okay. 180, 180, and 180. Okay. So what happens here?
It cancels.
Okay. So I'm left with Y
Y is
less than or equal to. Okay. Can I reduce this fraction?
yes.
Okay. What are both of these divisible? If we just get rid of those zeros, if we had negative 24 and 18, what are both of those divisible by?
2.
Okay, 2. Is there a greater number that they're both divisible by?
6.
6. Okay. No, that sounds like the best one, right? Okay. So let's do it. Let's say if we're dividing both of these by 60, then that'll be what?
4.
Negative 4 over
3.
3x. Okay, and then plus 900 divided by 180 is what?
5.
5. Excellent job. Okay. Now,
better.
this is, that looks a lot better. Okay, here we go. This is the problem we want to put in the calculator. So what are we going to do? You tell me what.
Y equals.
Okay, go to the y equal. Okay, I'm going to put it up so everybody can see it. Okay, I'm going to the y equal. Then what?
Then you put
You clear whatever you got there.
Clear out what's in there. Okay, thank you, Miss Ayala.
You're welcome.
Okay, and then what did you say, Portia?
4 divided by 3x.
Okay, didn't we have a negative?
Yeah, don't forget the
Negative
sign.
4 divided by
Negative 4 divided by 3.
plus 5.
Okay, you said x
Oh,
plus
x
5?
plus 5.
Okay, make sure you all remember that x. A lot of my students forget that x. Okay, is there anything else we need to do before we graph?
We need to go to the left
Okay.
and change it
To and it change
hit enter 3 times.
hit enter 3 times.
So that's
Okay,
shaded.
because it. Okay, now let's make sure we understand why. You see, this says the problem reads y is less than or equal to, right? So because it's less than or equal to, we're going to shade below. So in our calculator, this is what specifies shading below. Okay, and then what do I do?
Hit graph.
Hit graph, and let's see what we get.
Wow.
Wow, and that's what the students say every time it's the first time. Good job. So this is exactly what it would look like. So on our
so
answer choices,
cool.
that's what we would put. Okay? Good job. Hold on. Let me give you a big smiley face. I'm going to have to give you a nice smiley face because you have endured so much from Mr. Samuel. That didn't feel good.
Mr. Samuel is a little clumsy today.
No, he's not.
It's like Portia, right, Portia?
Yeah.
He fell down today.
Portia, you
Tyler,
failed.
don't tell everybody.
I'm sorry, sweetie.
There you go.
Thank you.
Bye, Portia.
Bye, Portia.
He dropped all the markers, Portia. That's why
Oh
we're
my
doing that.
gosh, she's telling on me now. Are you just...
It's funny.
That is not funny. Okay. Okay, the next caller is...
Oh, okay. I know I'm going to mispronounce it. Can you just say your name, sweetie?
Dramecia.
Okay.
Dramecia.
Dramecia.
Dramecia. Am I not saying it right? Draw like drums. Dramecia, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh.
Dramecia. I'm just saying it really fast.
You've called before, huh?
Yes, she did. She called last week.
She's always correcting us too.
Yeah, she's always... That's not it. It's this. Okay, Dramecia, you ready for a problem?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. I am going to put this problem... Excuse me, Miss Ayala. I didn't mean
Mr.
to-
Samuel?
Yes,
Behave
ma'am.
yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, here we go. We're just playing with each other. Okay, ready, Jamesia?
Yes.
Okay, it reads, write a system of linear equations that can be solved to find two numbers that have a sum of 35 and a difference of 27. Do you remember systems?
Yes.
Okay, you're going to have more than one equation, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool.
Okay, let's go to work. And say, or it reads, write a system of linear equations that can be solved to find two numbers that have a sum of 35. So what does that mean?
X plus y equals 35.
Okay, so you want to make the first number x plus the second number y equal to 35. Okay. Okay, and y equals the second number. Okay, sounds good. So where do I go from there?
X minus y equals 27.
Oh, okay. You said
Y
it again.
minus x
Y minus x.
equals 27.
Okay. Why are you inverting the numbers? Why are you inverting this x and this y?
So x minus y equals 27.
It can be y plus, yeah, or I mean it could be y minus x equal 27. I mean it can be like that because
Yeah,
we still don't know.
yeah.
We don't know which
No
number is which.
specific,
Okay,
uh-huh.
there is no specific
Yep.
specificity.
Specificity.
Specificity. Okay, let me see if I can give you a nice big smiley face. You ready?
Wow, is
Yeah.
that it? She didn't have to solve for anything?
No, she doesn't have to solve for
Oh,
anything.
that was
Okay,
so
here we
easy
go.
for her.
That's all. Because see, on the tax test, all they're going to ask for is they just
God.
want you to actually just set up the.
What's on his nose?
He got a boo-boo on his nose. He fell on his face.
Oh, he fell down.
Good job,
Okay.
Dramecia, right?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good
We'll get
job.
her name
Good
right
job.
next time.
Thank
Bye,
you.
Jamesia.
Bye.
Happy Valentine's.
Thank you.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
All right, and all of our other callers as well. Happy Valentine's Day to you all. Okay. Here we
Okay,
go.
I'm not sure if I'm hearing this name right. Okay, is this Juan?
Okay, all righty.
Hello.
Juan? Hello?
Okay, you're on the air.
Hello.
Hello, you're on the air. Do you know that we can hear everything you're doing?
Okay, hello. We're going to the next caller. Okay, hi.
Hello?
Hi, can you pronounce your name, please?
Vicente. Oh, V-I-C.
Oh, Vicente.
Yes.
Gosh, they gave me something else here.
Oh my
Hi,
God.
Vicente, how are you doing? Vicente?
Yes.
Where are you calling from?
Hillcrest High School.
Oh, good. Y'all are calling a lot. That's awesome. How's your day?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You're okay? That's
Yeah,
good.
I'm fine.
Well, thank you for joining us.
Uh-huh.
Okay, Mr. Samuel's looking for a problem for you.
Here we go.
Talking to you.
You ready, Vicente?
Here we go.
Here we go. Let's go to work.
You get pretty and pink paper. Okay, it reads nice and brightly. It says Liz has 35 coins in her bank worth $2.55. She only has quarters and nickels in her bank. Write a system of equations that can be solved to find how many quarters and nickels she has. Okay, so same kind of idea like our previous problem, okay?
Okay.
Here we go.
You could substitute X for quarters.
Okay, so X is going to be the quarters.
Yes.
Good.
Okay.
And nickels for Y.
Okay, X for quarters.
Yeah.
And you want to say what now? Y is the nickels?
Or nickels, yes.
Okay, sounds good. So now where do I go from there, Vicente?
X plus Y equals
Okay.
$2.55.
X plus Y equals $2.55. Let me write what you're saying just to make sure I get this right. X plus Y equals $2.55, right?
Yes.
Now hold on for a second. This is the number of coins I'm dealing with, right?
Yep.
This is the number of quarters, and this is the number of... Okay, and this is the number of...
Vicente?
Vicente?
Hello.
Vicente,
Yes.
are you still there?
Yes.
Okay, what was all of that?
I'm here, sir. They just making fun of me.
Okay, come on now, guys. Listen to us. Listen to us. We need you all to be. We need you all to be on it.
Plug them all back.
Okay, well, let's go to the next caller because. Okay.
Harrison? What about Harrison?
Okay, Harrison.
Okay, we're going to go ahead and finish working the problem.
Okay.
We don't know what's going on.
Yeah, I don't know. We were having some technical difficulties or some student difficulties or something. Okay, here we go. Now, let's continue this problem until we get our next caller. Callers, go ahead and call in, but here we are. Okay, now the problem says that Liz has 35 coins, okay, in her bank worth $2.55. Okay, remember that when we're talking about the money, we actually have to put the money on the variables, okay? So quarters are worth 25 cents each, and nickels are worth 5 cents each, okay? So therefore, we are going to have to put those amounts on there, okay? And then from there, we're going to add the coins, all of the coins that they have. So we have quarters plus the nickels, and that's going to equal 35 cents, okay? So remember these problems, all right?
35 coins.
35 coins, I'm sorry, 35 coins. Thank you, Miss Ayala.
You're welcome.
Okay. Okie dokie. All right.
Yeah.
All righty. Here we go. Now, let's go back to our next person. We have Vicente. Are you there?
Hello.
Hello?
Vicente, are you all finished with your issues?
Yes.
Okay. You all kick out the people who are acting really, really
No,
crazy?
that was not us. That was something happened and it cut off on us.
Oh,
I
okay.
was trying to answer you, but I don't know. That was another school.
Oh, that was another
Okay.
I
school.
don't want you to
Okay.
think that's Hillcrest acting like that because it will not happen over here.
Okay,
Thank
sounds
you,
good.
ma'am.
I
Yeah.
greatly appreciate that. I
It
greatly
sounded
appreciate
like they got disconnected and someone else kind of...
Well, actually, it was both of them in simultaneously because I heard Vicente and then I heard some people. But of course, it wasn't Hillcrest, and we
we're
definitely
glad
appreciate
to hear
that.
it.
Whatever school that is, guys, get get that in control. All right, get rid of all those little knuckleheads. All right, here we go. Vicente, we're gonna have to go to another problem because I actually finished that one up. All right, so let's start from Scratchamundo.
What?
That's my word for from scratch.
Scratchamundo.
Scratchamundo. That's
Okay.
right. That's my word. Don't hate on my word.
Okay, Vicente, here we go again. Hopefully we won't get disconnected. Okay, it reads, two numbers have a difference of 47.
Yes.
One number is 3 more than 5 times the other, or 5 times the other. Write a system of equations that could be used to find the two numbers. So we're going to want a system of equation just like we did with the quarters and the nickel one,
Yes.
okay?
Okay.
Okay, but now what two variables do you want to use?
X and Y.
X and Y, so X could be our first number and Y could be our second number or other number. Okay, go ahead, Mr. Samuel.
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, tell me what I'm doing.
X minus Y equals 47.
Okay, X minus Y
There you
equals
go.
47. You're on this. Okay, and then, okay, go ahead.
Okay, let's
It
see.
says one number is. What does one number is mean? X equal, because is means equal in math. Good job. Okay, so X equal. Now it says 3 more than. What does that mean?
3 plus 5.
3 plus 5
5 times the other.
times the other number.
Yes. 3 plus 5 5Y.
Okay, 3 plus
Okay.
5y. That's excellent. Okay, typically it's okay to do that, but I try to tell my students to make sure that when they write this out, to write plus 3. Okay, and the reason I asked them to write plus 3 first, because if this were 3 less than 5 times a number, then I wouldn't want them to write 3 minus this number. I would want them to always put the plus 3 in the back. All right, but that was an excellent job. All right, excellent job.
That's
Okay, hold on, Vicente. Let me give Vicente his
smiley face. Ready, Vicente?
Okay, here we go.
Okay,
We're gonna put.
here's his smiley face. Whoa, kind of, whoa. Kind of deformed eyes there, but that's
Well, hey, man.
you got it big in a smile. Okay, we've got,
Okay.
funky teeth, all right. Okay, something
And
on
here's
that
unibrow. And he
Okay.
can see. Vicente, thank you for calling in, bro.
Bye, Vicente.
All right.
Good. I'm glad they called back to clear things up.
Yeah, we wouldn't want Hillcrest to other people to think Hillcrest did that.
Okay, good.
Okay.
Okay, we have Ivan. Hi, Ivan.
Yes,
Where are you calling from again?
Skyline.
Skyline. Hi, Ivan. How are you doing?
Fine.
Fine, good.
Sounds
Thanks
good.
For calling. Yo, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, here we
Okay,
go.
here we
Here's the
go.
problem. A little blurry.
Okay, let me put the
Zoom
focus
in,
on it.
zoom
Let me
in.
put the focus. I think it's
Okay.
about focus.
That's a little better. Ow. Okay, ready?
How about this?
Okay, Ivan, it reads, can you see that, Ivan? Or is it kind of bright?
A little bit.
Okay. Okay, let me go ahead and read it to you, okay?
Okay.
It says,
Is that better?
A little bit.
No, I'm talking to Ivan. Is that better?
That's what he said.
Yes.
No, he didn't say anything. I'm actually pushing a button to make the focus better.
Yes.
Okay, that is better. Okay.
Okay, it says Tom invests an amount of money X, so the money is X at 5% simple interest, and an amount of money Y at 8% simple interest. Okay, so X is 5% and Y is 8%. In 1 year, he earns more than $60 in interest. Represent the situation with an inequality. Okay?
Okay, you ready?
Yes.
Okay, what do you think we're gonna have to do first?
X equals 5%.
Okay, you said what now?
X equals 5%.
You said X equal it. Now listen to it. It says that Tom invests an amount of money X at 5%. So if he's investing it at 5%, what would you do with this amount? You'd have to do what?
Okay, it's 0.05 x.
0.05.
You
Okay,
got
so
it.
you have to change
Yes.
this to a decimal, so that'll be 0.05, and then so that's going to be 0.05x. Okay,
Yes.
and then
Plus
what?
0, 1, plus 0, 0, plus 0.08.
Okay,
There you go.
Y equals, no, Y
okay.
greater than
Now it's going to be greater than because he says he earns more than this amount of money, right? So it's
Yes.
going to be greater than what?
60.
$60.
Yes.
Good job. Good job. That's all it asks us to do is set up an equation. All right.
Good, you don't have
So
to
that's
solve
it. Good job.
Yay!
Here we go.
Good, Ivan. Muy bien. Okay, bye,
Hey.
Ivan. Ivan didn't wait for his smiley face.
Now, Ivan, you're gonna have to wait for your smiley face. Now, that was a good job. That was a can opener right
Thank
there.
you, Ivan. Okay, we have Christian again.
Yes.
Wow, we've got
Good
a
job.
dedicated color.
Good job, Christian. Christian, you're on it. Christian, what type of problem did you have last time?
I had like them problems. 8 down. 8 go.
Okay,
translation.
you had a translation. You had a parabola with a translation. Okay, so let's give him what, Miss Ayala?
Let's give him a hard one.
Okay, what do you think?
Easy one.
Okay, this looks like, here you go.
That's good.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, I'm gonna read it to you. You can.
Can you see that, Ivan? I'm sorry, Ivan. Christian.
Yes.
Okay, you
Okay.
can't see that. Okay.
It says participants in a nutrient study have 2 food groups from which to choose. Each serving A from Group A contains 5 units of the nutrient, and each serving B from Group B contains 8 units of the nutrient. Graph an inequality and use it to explain how many servings from each group can be eaten to obtain no more than, so that's a key word, no more than 40 units of nutrients. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, so what 2 letters are we using?
A plus B.
Okay, A and B, there we go. So,
Okay, I'll take it. You can't see this. I'm not saying to put it on the board. I'm just
yes, I
saying,
can
you
see it.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. So you won't
oh,
have to
okay.
strain your
Sorry, we're
eyes at the
discussing
screen.
something over here.
Okay, Christian, let's go to work, man. Now, here we go. We want to do what with this? We want to graph an inequality, right? Okay.
Oh,
So if we're going to graph an inequality, what type of situation are we going to set up here? I need to know exactly what our equation is, or our inequality is, excuse me.
It's 5A.
there
Okay,
you go.
5A, because we're talking about
5
the group A is 5A, okay,
plus 8B
plus 8B, okay,
equals.
equals.
Hold on. Less than equal to.
It says no more than.
No more than.
Greater than equal to.
So no, you had it right
Yeah, you
because
had
you
it
said.
Less than equal to.
Yeah, because you
Yeah,
said
right.
no. If it says no more than, that means 40 or anything less than 40, right?
Alright.
Because it says no more than 40, so that's going to be less than or equal to 40.
Yes.
Okay.
Good
So
job.
now here we go. We want to graph this. What do we have to do to graph it?
You do. Put the 5A on the other side.
Okay. Put the 5A on the other side. Good job. Okay. And then what does that mean?
Minus 5A
Okay.
from both sides.
So that's going to be
There
a
you go. Good.
Yeah, minus 5A from both sides.
minus 5A on both sides. Okay. So you want to put a minus 5A.
Yeah.
Minus 5A. Okay.
Bring down the sign.
Okay.
But bring down 8B
Okay. 8B. Okay.
and hold on. 35A.
Well,
No,
no.
remember these are not what?
Yeah.
Okay.
40 minus 5A.
40 minus 5A.
yeah,
Okay.
that's fine.
That's
Good.
fine. Okay. And then
You
what?
divide by 8 from both sides.
Divide by 8 on both sides?
Yeah.
Okay. So here we go. If I divide everything by 8,
Uh-huh.
what do I get?
It's B
Mm-hmm.
equals less than equal to
Less
There
than or
you go.
equal to. Okay.
40 divided by 8.
40. Negative 5.
You got.
Negative 5 over 8.
Okay, he's
Okay.
writing the slope first.
So you
Okay.
want to do it. Okay. You want to write the slope first. So that's negative 5 over 8. A. Okay. And then what?
Plus
Plus
5.
plus
There you
5.
go.
Good
You got
job.
it. You
Good
got
job. Okay. Now, if we want to graph this, let's go ahead and look at it in the calculator. Okay. Here we go. Now we know we're dealing with negative 5 over 8. A plus 5, right? Okay. So here we go. Let's look at the calculator. Okay. And
We're looking.
okay. And we're looking. Okay. We need to clear this out first. Now, what do we need to do?
We need to do parentheses.
Okay, you want to put it in parentheses? That's fine. We can put it in parentheses.
Well, the starting point is negative 5.
Negative 5
And divide by 8.
divide by 8. Okay.
Other parentheses.
Okay.
And x
There
Okay.
you go.
equals 5.
Equals
Equals 5?
I mean, plus 5.
Plus 5.
There
Plus
you go,
5.
you
Good
got
job.
it.
Okay, so now from here, is there anything else I need to do before I graph this?
Remember, it's an inequality. Where does it go from there, Christian?
Go to the right.
To the
Okay,
right?
go to the right. I can't go anywhere to the right. It's not letting me go anywhere. So what's the other?
Go left.
Go
Go left. Go left. Cool. Okay, now I'm all the way to the left. What do I need to do with this? Hit my enter.
Okay. Okay, some of them might not.
Less than.
Okay. Hit the less than. Okay, so the less than would mean that I need to hit enter, and every time I hit enter, this gives me a thicker line, right? I hit enter again. This says to graph up or shade above. I don't want to shade above because my inequality says to shade. Where is this? Okay, it says to shade below, right? Because it says less than. Okay, so if I'm going to shade less than, then that means I need to hit enter again, and that shades less than. So from here, now all I have to do is do what? Hit
Graph it.
graph. All right. Good job, man. And then that is
There we
what I'm
go.
going to see.
Yay!
Good job. Good job. Here we go. Let's see if I can give you a quick smiley face.
Don't leave without your smiley face.
Let's see.
That's the second one for him today.
Bam.
Third one.
That's the third one. Good job. He worked 2 problems the first time he called in. Good job, Christian.
Okay. That's a cute smiley face.
Isn't that
I'm proud of you. Yay.
Yay, me.
Get it, Belle.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, this is
At-
Tiffany.
This is Atwill, right?
Yes.
This
Hey,
is
Tiffany,
Atwill.
you woke me up. Not that I was asleep. I
No.
wasn't asleep.
Yes, you are.
No, you did.
Well, you know, we're very cheery.
We're very
Yes,
cheery.
you are.
Yeah. we really love to work. It's
Oh, that's
That's
a big
good.
thing at our school.
That's a big
Good.
thing at your school.
So where are you
Yeah.
calling from again?
I'm calling from Atwell.
Oh,
Calling
okay.
from Atwill. Cool
Yeah.
beans. Okay, here we go. Are you ready for a problem?
Well, I guess I have no other choice.
You do not have a choice.
Nope.
You do not
That's
have
why
a
she's
choice.
here.
We go. Okay, here we go, Miss.
Okay, here we
I don't
go.
know how to do that problem. Y'all help me.
You'll be
We
fine.
will help you, all right?
Oh, that wasn't me. That
Oh.
was this girl that's sitting behind me.
Oh, that was the girl sitting behind you. Okay.
She
all
knows
right.
what she's doing.
Okay.
Monique, shut up.
Okay, it reads, in the graph of the function y equals x squared, which describes the change in the parabola if the new function is y equals negative 12x squared minus 6. So 2 things changed, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, the a and the c, the number in front of x squared. Okay, so let me read your multiple choice answers. It says A, vertical translation down 6 units 2 times as steep and flipped, or is it a vertical translation down 12 units and 6 times as steep and flipped, or is there a vertical translation up 6 units and 12 times as steep? Last one is there a vertical translation down 6 units and 12 times as steep and it flipped? Which one would it be?
Well, I know it's not C because the vertical translation down is 6. It goes down 6 units.
Okay,
Okay,
so
good,
you can
awesome.
automatically get rid of that
Good.
one. Okay.
And
So which other one can we get rid of now that we know that?
B because 6 goes down.
Okay, cool. Now we're left with A and D. Okay. So now between those two, now it's both of them are flipped, so we don't have to deal with that, right? Because we know that it was positive and now it's negative, so that means that the parabola flips, right?
Yes, we're trying to deal with how many times.
Okay, so how many times was it? Is it steeper? Is it 2 times steeper or 12 times steeper?
It's 12 times 6.
There
12
you
times
go,
steeper. So
yay.
yay, we can cancel that one out. Put that answer.
Okay.
Yay.
Thank you.
Hold on, real fast. Let me see if I can get
I didn't know how to do it, but I used process of elimination.
Good job,
Awesome.
and that's an awesome. That is a wonderful way, a wonderful test-taking technique. All right.
All right, have a nice day.
Have a nice day, cheery girl.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to you too.
All right,
Okay.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh, Kivana says hi.
Hey, Kivana.
She's so cute.
Yes.
Ernesta.
Yes.
Hi, Ernesta.
Hi.
How you doing?
Fine.
Fine. Where are you calling from?
Skylar.
Skyline. Okay.
Skyline,
Are you
cool.
ready for a problem?
Yes.
Okay.
Sounds
Here we
good.
go.
Sounds good. Let's give you one similar to the one that we just gave the baby from Atwell. Yay! Sounds good. And that was
Tiffany.
Tiffany from Atwell. Okay, here we are. The problem reads: in the graph of the function y equals x squared, which describes the change in the parabola if the new function is y equals x squared or negative 2x squared plus 5.
Okay.
Okay, A is not.
Okay. How do you know it's not A?
You know it's not A because what?
It's down.
It's not down.
Good.
Okay, it's not down.
It's not down 5 units. You're right. Awesome.
Okay, so which ones can we eliminate?
B and D.
Okay, so what's the only
Too
answer?
easy.
That was too easy. That was too
Yeah.
easy. Okay, we're gonna give you another problem. That was too easy.
Yeah. Let's give Ernesta another one. It was
Yeah, that was way too easy. But there's your smiley face. Yay!
Yeah,
Okay,
woo.
here we go. Let's give you another one. That was just, I mean,
fussy. Fussy.
what is fussy?
Easy.
Easy. Okay,
Fussy.
fussy means easy. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's try this one on for a
Let's
sec.
see if you can see it. One of the burnt problems that we've got today.
Oh my God. Okay.
Okay, it reads, Ernesta, it says, graph the boundary line using the slope and the y-intercept, then shake the proper region. So what do you think we need to do first before we put it on the grid?
Put it at a slope intercept.
Good.
Put in slope intercept
So
form.
what would we move first?
The 7x.
Good. What
7x.
kind of 7x is it?
Negative.
There you go.
Okay, so when I take it over here, it's going to be
Positive.
There you
positive.
go.
Good job. So what am I going to have?
7x. AY
8y.
less than
Good job.
7x
Good.
minus 32.
Good.
Okay, so now from there, what do I need to do?
Divide by 8.
Divide by 8, divide by 8, and divide by 8. Okay, so I get divided by 8 on all of them. Cancel these two out. I get y is less than what?
7, 8,
Good.
7/8
x.
x. Good job. Minus 4. Okie dokie. So we're ready to graph this problem now, right?
Woohoo.
Okay, so where do we go? Starting at
What is it? Go down 4.
down 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. Okay.
7.
Mhm. Okay.
7 up.
Go 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
8 to the right.
8 to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Okay, so now what type of line are we going to have?
Dash.
Dashed line. Okay. And here we go. Where are we shading?
Down.
We're shading below. Good job.
Good.
Good job. Let's see what this looks like on the calculator if it looks just like what we have here. All right?
Okay.
Okay. Tell me what I'm going to do on the calculator.
Y equals.
Good.
Okay, go to the y equal window. Okay, what do I need to do first?
Clear.
Clear out what's in there. Okay, and then what?
Left. 7 divided 8 x.
Okay.
Minus 4.
Say it again.
Minus 4.
Minus 4. Okay.
Go to the left and change. Press enter
Okay.
and enter. Enter.
Okay. Right there. Okay.
Low graph.
Hit the graph. Good job, and that looks really good. Let's hit zoom 6 real fast and see how it look at the standard window. Good job.
You guys did it right.
Yeah. Good job, dear. Okay,
Be careful with the calculator because it doesn't tell you if it's a broken line or a solid line. So
exactly. That's
it
one
just
thing.
lets you know which way to shape.
Okay, here we go.
Okay, we have Jessica from Hillcrest. Hi, Jessica.
Hello.
Hi. How you doing?
Fine.
Sounds
Fine.
good. You are ready to work a problem. I hear it in your voice.
Okay. Ready, here we go. Your problem reads, there it is. It says a fence is placed around a triangular yard. So there's some triangular yard going on here.
Okay.
As shown.
As shown.
So he's going to show it. Okay. How long would the length, a triangular? There you go. How long would the length of the fence on the third side be? Okay, what are this?
This is the fence around the triangular area. Okay, and then this area is going to be, this is 10 and this is 24. Okay.
Okay.
Now, go ahead.
That was good. Okay, so what formula do we have to use? What kind of a triangle is that? This is a special kind of triangle.
Right.
A
Right triangle, good
So
job.
it's a special kind of formula for that.
It's a squared plus b squared equals c squared.
Okay,
Good.
good job. We're dealing with the Pythagorean theorem. Good job. Okay, so now what do?
We add 10 times 2. 10 times, we multiply 10 times 2.
Okay, so we say 10 squared. Okay, and then plus 24 squared, and that's going to equal
C squared.
c squared. Now, why didn't we fill in one of these for c?
Because C is the third side.
It's the third side. It's the side that's opposite this 90-degree angle, okay? Because if we actually had a c right there, we could plug it in, all right? So go ahead. What's the next step?
Multiply 10 times itself
Okay, so 10 times 10.
is 100.
Okay, and then
Okay.
plus.
And 24 times itself is 576.
Okay, 576. Okay, and that equals?
It's 676.
Okay, 676. Okay, equals c squared. Okay, and then what do?
We divide.
Divide. Is that how you get rid of squaring? How do you get rid of squaring?
Square root.
Square
There you
root.
go.
Very good. Okay, so let's take the square root of that side and the square root of that side. Remember, use plus or minus, except for in this situation, we're dealing with length, and length is not negative, therefore we don't have to deal with plus or minus. Okay, so here we go. Not kill that, but get rid of that and get rid of that. And that's going to be C equals what?
26.
26. Okay, so what's our answer?
A.
A. Good job. Excellent job. Wait, hold on. Let me see if I can get this. Okay, he's trying to unide.
Okay. Mr. Selman, what are you doing?
I am making.
There we go.
There you go.
Thank you.
No, you're welcome, dear. She sounds so appreciative.
There you go.
I'll have
Thank
to
you,
make you
Jessica.
another one. Okay. Okay, here we go.
Hi.
Hi, Joe.
How you doing?
Good, I'm doing good, thank you.
Good. You're calling from where?
Excuse me.
Skyline.
Skyline. Okay.
Skyline.
Oh, there's
Sounds
a bunch
good.
of you guys calling in. Who's your teacher staying with you?
Miss Darqua.
Miss Darkwa?
Darqua, right?
Oh, okay. Tell her thank you for staying.
Thank you,
Yes.
Mr. Darkwa.
Thank you, Miss Darqua.
Okay, you ready to work a problem?
Yes.
Okay, let's deal with this one. It has a little difficult element to it, but for the most part, it's pretty simple.
We'll be okay.
Okay, good.
All
Ready.
Okay, here we go. He's ready. It says a 28-foot ladder is leaning against a building. So let's visualize that.
Okay.
Okay, there's a building and there's a 28-foot ladder leaning against it.
Okay, bam. There's
The
the ladder.
bottom of the ladder is 6 feet 9 inches from the base. 6
Okay.
feet 9 inches from the base.
Okay, so it's the ladder right here is what from the base?
Yes.
How far is this from the base?
6 feet.
6 feet 9
Okay.
inches.
6 feet 9 inches.
Okay, from the base. And it says how high up the side of the building does the ladder reach? Round your answer to the nearest tenth of a foot. So
Okay.
we still need to put the 28-foot ladder on there. So where do we put 28?
Okay.
The letter?
On the ladder, okay, because that's,
Yes. That's it.
okay, so that's 28. 28 feet.
Feet,
Okay,
right.
good job. Okay,
Right,
so
Mr.
now,
Samuel.
huh?
Okay.
We have to change the inches to feet.
Turn
Okay,
inches
good.
into feet. Good job. So I have 9 inches. How do I change that into feet?
Let me see.
9 out of how
9
many?
inches.
Okay.
Yeah.
9 out of how many?
12, I think.
There.
9 out of
You're-
12.
You're fine.
Okay.
So
Equals what?
Ooh. Pull it up. I
Oh,
can
okay.
see.
Okay.
Okay, yes. So, 3/4.
Okay. 3/4,
which is the
what as a
decimal
decimal?
would
75.
be- There you go.
0.75. Okay. So
Okay.
cool. So now, what is this equivalent to?
6.75.
6.75.
That's a good one.
Good job. Okay. So now, from there, where do I go?
6.75 square.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Use the Pythagorean theorem.
Good.
Okay. Let's put a little extra paper over here so we'll have a little room to work with. Okay. That's a little better. Okay, here we go. So now, we have Pythagorean theorem is what you said we're going to use?
Yeah.
Okay.
Pythagorean theorem, a square.
Okay, so we're going to have a squared
A square plus b square.
plus b squared
Yeah. Equals c
equals c squared. Okay?
square. That's good.
Okay. Now, where do I go from there?
6.75 square
Okay,
good.
6.75 squared.
plus
Okay.
plus b square
Good.
b squared
equals 28.
28
28 square.
There you
squared.
go. Good.
Okay, good job. Okay, so now what do I do?
We need the calculator.
Okay, we need the calculator. Okay, here we go. I got the calculator and
Okay.
I'm opening it.
Yeah, that's good because I don't have.
Okay. All right, and so now I have the calculator. What do I need to do with my calculator?
6.75 square.
Okay, here we go.
Answer.
6.70. That's too close.
Yes.
Okay.
Not good.
Okay, here we go.
Better.
That's the
There you
better. Okay, 6.75
square.
squared. Okay, and that gives me.
Okay.
Okay, that.
Okay. So
Okay.
the next one, 28 square.
28 squared. Okay.
Okay.
What do we do with those two numbers?
We have to subtract.
Oh.
Good.
Okay, so 7. Okay, minus.
45.66.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
Okay.
Enter.
There you go.
Take the square root.
Okay, square root of the answer.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Oh, can you show us how to do that, Mr. Samuel?
Oh,
I don't know.
oh, I'm sorry. Okay, guys. What I did
I
was,
don't know how to no the answer.
how do I do the answer? You
Yes.
do second. If you do second and the negative,
Okay.
Okay.
second and the
Okay,
negative,
yes.
that gives you
Where?
See, if we hit second
Second.
and then hit the negative, it gives you
Oh,
the
I see.
answer.
Good. We don't have
Okay.
to type it all
Yeah, that's
in
good.
there.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr.
Yeah.
Samuel.
Okay, and then so the answer is they asked us to round it to the nearest tenth. So what do we need?
27.
Point.
Oh, one number after the decimal.
Yes.
Okay, so what do we have?
27.2.
27.2. So looking back at my answer choices, here we go. We can get rid of that, and it's going to be B.
Yeah.
That was an excellent
You
job,
did
man.
super
Yeah,
awesome.
yeah, that was a really
Yeah.
good job,
You
man.
did
Okay,
awesome.
thank you.
All right,
Have a nice
Yeah.
Valentine's Day.
all right. You do the
too.
same. Do the same.
Happy Valentine's.
You too, miss.
Bye.
Bye.
All right. Okay, that's just about all the time we have for today, Miss Ayala. But before we go, what do we need to do?
We need to give away our chocolates, okay? And the lucky caller is, we have Ivan from Skyline.
Ivan from Skyline. Yay, good job.
Ivan.
Good job, Ivan. Congratulations.
Congratulations to you. Okay. Now, remember? Whoa. Okay. So, congratulations. And remember, we would love to see you, so don't forget to bring pictures to your teacher so we can send them to us. Okay, and we can show them off to everybody so we can see your pretty faces.
Yeah.
Our email, our email address is the algebradudes@dallasisd.org, or you can also send them through the interdepartmental mail to DFTV Box 379.
Thank you all for joining us today, and we'll see you next week. We do not expect you all to have an understanding coming on, but we definitely expect you all to have an understanding going off. Have a great week, guys, and do well on your 6 weeks exams. We'll see you.
Bye, guys. Happy Valentine's.
And keep studying for the tax writing and reading section. It's coming up soon.
That's luck.
Oh, God. I was out of it today. Yeah, can we have